Good morning and welcome to the Verified Crypto Traders update video. This is a recent move, me talking about where we are in the marketplace and exiting positions on Bitcoin as we hit our targets and what is likely to happen in the future. So enjoy the video. It's brought to you by Verified Crypto Traders and have a great day. Show you a 13x return and you're going to be like, wow, how do you get that? I want that. And this is a natural thing for newbie traders to want. And the majority of this is because of my skill and my experience trading for a very long time. I started with 128, worked it up, and as you can see over time, not to say that I don't have losses, of course I do. The key to losses are to reduce them, minimize your losses when things are bad, increase your profits when they're good. And I did that for the past 6 months, and you can see now I'm up to a 13x return above that. And I'm going to have videos that show live trading and the techniques and the ways to avoid the manipulation, like the maintenance mode the other day, how traders got smoked by that. I have no words for that. That was the stupidest thing that could have been avoided very easily. I'm going to have examples that's going to show you how to profit as well as money management. Half of what you see here is because of my compounding and knowing how to compound my profits and thereby increasing exponentially the returns in totality, as well as my experience of charting. Technical analysis is key. It's number one. It's the reason why I'm able to do what I do. And other than that, this is brought to you by Verified Crypto News and the traders group there, and check them out. I consult with them and I give them my knowledge and I share with them my ideas, so definitely check them out. So here we are. We have, again, the marketplace has gone up to our target zone that we were looking for in the 7,000 range. It was a preview on Bitmex with the manipulation they had. If you saw in their platform, it occurred there as well. But this is the zone that is resistance currently. Now, where do we go from here? If we can break that, and next upside number would be the 61.8 of the larger range from the top here to the bottom there, and that would be the 7,500 level. I don't think we really will take this area out by much, if at all. I think we'll fail here and then go back down to probably down to here, 61.8 of whatever high we make here, under here. This is a very common pattern, and that happens, and then reversals happen from it, and then you have your retrace, and then we'll go from there to see where we go. So I am exiting half of my positions here, and whatever I'm in profit on, and just basically pairing off stuff, and I'll look to buy as we go back down. If we go back down. If we go back up, then I'll look to sell more if we get back up here, and then look to buy back down again, and rinse and repeat. Nothing interesting. I do have more positions than I should because of the fact that the Phantom API software that I was using did not cancel orders from months ago. They didn't show up. They all looked as canceled, but they reappeared like Night of the Living Dead executions, zombie executions. Very funny, but not funny, because that means the software and the APIs in the crypto space are crap. This CoiningG and this 3 commas garbage. I am not happy with the software quality. That I would never experience this in real fintech quality in the currency space with regular futures and whatnot, because the quality of the software is just, you don't have these kind of issues. This is made by little kids. I don't know what to say. But anyway, I'm not going to go on about that. It does add a little bit of a challenge to me, but no big deal. So anyway, selling half of the positions up here. If we get a bigger move up to here, I'll sell the rest of them. And that's basically where we are. The only other one that we have that's interesting to look at is VET. Now, I did have positions all the way down. I averaged in, and now I'm exiting out. And I had even positions down to here. Unfortunately, because of those phantom buys, threw everything off. But anyway, I am exiting most of my positions right where we are right here. And then the last of it, I'm going to be looking to exit at or above that 210 area. And that's basically it. Be done with it. Didn't really like where I'm at in this. You know, I'm trying to pair off to use the money in the future, and we'll see what happens. As far as, you know, some of the other coins I'm looking to buy, I want to get another pullback. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here, and then a break back down to here and under, and we'll see what happens there. Now, there is a possibility I can just say, screw it, exit it all right up here, and then start over back down here, which I'm very tempted to do. You know what? Looking at my positions, I think I'll do that. I think I'll just blow out of vet altogether, free up some capital, and focus probably a little bit more on Bitcoin because the usage numbers, the dominance has gone up, so I'm thinking along those lines. And I'll look for better opportunities in the future. And I'll probably become a little bit more conservative because we're in a dangerous spot now. Now that we retraced up here on Bitcoin, we could actually break that 5K. I hate to say that. Hate to say that because that's an ugly scenario, but we could break down here and take out this level down here and then collapse all the way down to the 5,000 level and give Tone Vey his ability to get to 5,000. He's like, all he talks about, this poor guy is so delusional. You know, he's not objective. That's the thing I have an issue with him. It's okay to believe that you're going to go somewhere, but he's not objective. But he does have a few valid points, technically. I'm not sure he's aware of, but I'm going to save that for later. And other than that, we can either go up to here, or we can go back down to here. Odds are more likely down here short term because you can see the pattern. And just like you saw that pattern there, now, does that mean it won't go higher? Of course not. You know how that works. We might not be completely empty of the buyers, so we will see. But that's your update. That's where we are, and I will see you later.